Good morning, everybody. Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Quilter. And just a reminder that Walter and I will be live on the air today, but at a new time for today only, Sunday, October the 8th, 2023. Instead of at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, we will be on at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. It's Thanksgiving here in Canada, and we have dinner plans, which means we have to be off to the location of our dinner plans for 5 o'clock. So we're going to come on 1 hour earlier just for today, this Sunday. And so I hope you can join us. We're going to talk about what's been going on the last week. We're going to talk about, well, anything. As usual, you know what it is. It's like, if you're new to Stephen and Walter Live, welcome. Don't be shy to participate in the chat. All are welcome. So that's today, Sunday, October the 8th, 2023 at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.